wabarakatuh. I, Nurul, will be representing opinion of pilot water sea in Aceh Barat. Here we can see water sea change of color. This is caused by because of the mill Stain-teungku throw the wool drain pipe was factory into the sea. Drain pipe was thrown by the mill into the sea. It can be destructive to all habitat fish in the sea, in particular around Sea Aceh Barat. Here, I think to give a solution to the dam of which I removed. I think it's good if the mill not throw waste into the sea because damaging habitats live animals, marine animals. Usual factory made a DR a bit big and wasted all the heat by investment to that place. Then on the cover with the meeting back to the ground, maybe can be used by the public to make it fertilizer plant that can be in use. Well, my only this time I can see. I think that's all from our presentation. Thank you for your great attention. Hopefully useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.